You tune into Beyond the Loop, the podcast for veterans, working parents, and everyday people who are ready to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and step into a lifestyle of freedom. I'm David Ricks III. I am a past United States Army veteran, proud of my side of the Digital Pulse program, which is now known on my side as the Army Digital Boss program because I purchased it as a business owner. Today is episode 1. I'm going to tell you exactly why I created this program under the Digital Boss program, how it changes lives, and why purchasing the Digital Boss program affiliate program that makes you part of ownership could be the smartest financial move you can make this year. The smartest. So, a personal story about myself. Reality check. I'm a recruiter. Pension, let's be real, not enough to get over. Feeling stuck, in the loop, working, bills, hopes, son in college. Then I was on a platform, a social media platform, and this lady came on. She talked about the Digital Boss program or the Digital Boss affiliate. And then I started reading the comments. Bing, realization. I can do this. Vets, you on a pension, you can do this. VA benefits to cover life, civilians stuck in 9 to 5 grind, side hustles, failing, t-shirts, failing, fear of not being ready for retirement, or you probably was ready, or emergencies. The truth is, most of us were never taught how to make money work for us. We were only taught how to trade time for it. Let's digital shift. Colleges are now teaching digital marketing. Yes, colleges are teaching it. What's happening? The digital economy, people making income from phones, laptops, making it, doing it for companies. Companies are moving online. Creators are making more than traditional businesses. The old ways of commercials, that's old. Side hustles. You can do a side hustle like vending machines, reselling coaching, some things. Great, but limited without digital leverage. I have the blueprint to help you do this. It's 2025, and you can sell a digital product today that makes money while you sleep. You can go into ChatGPT, but it doesn't show you the blueprint. Yet most people are still chasing overtime pay. Think about Netflix, Amazon ebooks, even your kids' Fortnite skins. All digital products. Yes, all digital products. Why aren't you selling something digital yet? I'll wait. Now I'm back. Why digital? Why the Digital Boss affiliate exists? Give me 10 minutes of your time, and I'm gonna tell you. Too many people want online income, but don't know where to start. What Digital Boss affiliate does, it gives you a blueprint instead of a trial and error. Keywords, trial and error. Offers ready-made guides so you don't waste money guessing. Builds a community where vets, moms, and hustlers encourage each other on one platform, a community, a dashboard, motivation. It sells itself. Everything in the Digital Boss affiliate program sells itself. You can take things from it and do it yourself. A vet starting his first side hustle online, a single mom earning her first $100 digital sale. That has happened. Easy. A college student turning time into digital streams instead of just debt. You have spare time. Any college student has some spare time. Let's talk about the mindset and the roadblocks. You thinking you have a fear. What if I fail? Failing is just learning faster. I failed, but I'm learning and it's exciting. I don't have time. It's 2 hours a week. 2 hours a week can start building a digital leverage. I'm not tech savvy. Whatever. They have templates for all that. Step by step guides. And training. Let's talk about the training. The training videos they show you. Make it very, very simple. Stop thinking paycheck. Start thinking digital assets. Where can this lead? More family time, income during retirement, more vacation time, freedom to work from anywhere. You never know where it can go unless you start. Imagine you're at your kid's baseball game, basketball game, football game. Your phone dings. Another sale came through. Another sale came through. That's what leverage feels like. And you have to understand what I'm telling you right now. This is the way of the future. The Digital Boss Affiliate is about freedom, confidence, and proof that your passions can pay you. Anything you know how to do, you can put it to, they have the blueprint to help you continue to make money and have freedom. I want to make the decision simple for you today. Very simple. Right now, you can grab 3 powerful digital products for under $99. On my website, I'm giving it to you for $99. Each one is a roadmap to starting a vending machine business, basis marketing, digital product playbook, and one of the best, Amazon FBA mastery for under $99. They are not just ebooks. There are shortcuts. There are blueprints. Can open up today and start moving forward. Stop with the groups, the group chats on other social medias. This is what you need. If you're serious about changing your financial future, don't wait. The time is now. Hit the link in the show notes or grab it from my bio somewhere in here. Grab any of the 3 digital products or grab all 3. Let's get started together. Now, this is episode 1 of The Loop. Thanks for listening to Beyond the Loop. I'm David Ricks, reminding you, stop hoping, start building, and I'll see you in the next episode.